मुखेलमंत्र्याक आपूण कितें उलयता ताचें भान ना. दर फावटी मुखेलमंत्री आंकड्यांचो खेळ खेळटा. जरी तर ताका हो भार पेलपाक जायना जाल्यार तांणी आपल्या पदाचो राजिनामो दिवचो. काँग्रेस ह्या मुद्द्यार आवाज काडीत रावतले. RDX खातीर परवरच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
मनोहर पर्रीकर. He's on no man's land. Manor Parrikar from U-turn, I think we have to call him a master bluffer. There is a limit to whatever he's speaking. I remember his election manifesto, which shows 25,000 crores, 27,000 crores in 2012. He shows his PSC report at 4,000 crores. Last assembly, he brought it to the notice. Last term, he brought it to the notice that it's going to come 3,000 crores. This time, he comes to 50 crores only. Thousands he has forgotten. I don't know whether I don't know. I think if he's not feeling well, he should quit the post. Because it's intolerable that the Congress party he has targeted the Congress party. He has made n number of blatant averments in the assembly. I remember he used to make Congress sore. I want to ask him who is sore now. He has to answer this question, who is sore? And he has to answer all these cases he has put on all the Congress legislators. There is a limit to whatever he is doing in the assembly. Now he is saying there are 50 crores. What is this 50 crores? PSC report is very clear. It is his own PSC report. Now Congress party, I being one of the legislators of the Congress party, is something which we can't tolerate anymore. Tomorrow he'll have to answer from where the 25,000 crores came, from where the 3,000 crores came, from where 50 crores came.